So this is a question from GATE 2018 electronics branch. So it is based on sinusoidal state analysis. So we have to find the voltage Vc. Vc is the voltage across capacitor. Capacitor is of 1 microfarad value. These two are 100k and 100k, two resistances, and the voltage, input voltage is 5 sine of 5t. So we have to find the voltage across the capacitor. So this is a very easy question. So we can easily, first these two resistances are in series, 100k and 100k. So we can replace them by a single resistor of 200k. So this resistor becomes 200k. Now we can easily apply the voltage divider rule. So Vc is equal to V input into 1 upon j omega c upon R plus 1 upon j omega c. This is by the voltage divider rule. Because this is the input voltage and Vc is the voltage across the 1 microfarad capacitor. So this can be replaced by a reactance of 1 upon j omega c. So Vc will be equal to V in, we are just taking the LCM, 1 plus j omega R c. Now input voltage is 5 sine of 5t. 5 sine of 5t. So compare with the equation sine of omega t. So omega value is R, 5. Because generally it is of the form sine of omega t, and so omega here is 5. So omega is 5. R is 2 into 10 to power 5. And capacitor is 1 microfarad, so 10 to power minus 6. So capacitor is 10 to power minus 6. So omega into R into C will be equal to 1. So Vc will be equal to V in upon 1 plus j. So V in is 5 sine of 5t. So 5 sine of 5t upon 1 plus j. So this 1 plus j is of the magnitude root 2 and angle is pi by 4. The magnitude of 1 plus j is under root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to under root of 2, because j coefficient is 1. So 1 square plus 1 square, and its angle is tan inverse of 1 upon 1, which is equal to 45 degree, which is equal to pi by 4. So 1 plus j is root 2 and angle is pi by 4. So this Vc will be equal to Vc will be equal to 5 upon root 2 sine of 5t minus pi by 4. So 5 root 2 can also be written as 2.5 into root 2 into root 2 upon root 2. So 1 root 2 will get cancelled. So sine of 5t minus pi by 4. So it will be equal to 2.5 root 2 sine of 5t minus pi by 4. So the correct answer is 2.5 into under root 2 sine of 5t minus pi by 4. So it can be easily solved by applying the voltage divider rule, and from this the value of omega is 5. So by applying the voltage divider rule, we can easily find the voltage across the capacitor. So this was a very easy question from GATE 2018 electronics branch. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and please leave feedback in the comment box. Thank you and best of luck for exams.